is an insane outfit. These slippers from brunch, I've been living in them. So, going to Cam's. We're ordering sushi and also making pizza because we couldn't decide. And watching Love Island. Looking a bit flat.
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
I feel like a fucking pancake.
Okay,
I'm
it
just
feels pretty good.
Videography.
Why do you just keep backing up?
I'm trying to see if she wants her face in it.
Let me just set it up so that it doesn't.
Okay, do I have to sprinkle flour?
You can. Here. So it's really unsticky. No, here.
I don't think you showed me how. I'm swimming.
Yeah, exactly. Like literally, like you're like doggy paddling.
That's what you do.
Are you proud of yourself for that joke?
Kind of. Okay, let me try that guy.
Like you can hang them from themselves like that.
You took my guy.
Yeah.
There's one right there.
Okay.
Look at that. Ooh. I got it on the peel.
Okay.
So.
Into the pan.
No.
This little cute boy, and he's cooking, and he's like, "Okay, we're gonna put this into the pan."
What?
I'm gonna send it to you.
Josh, can you hand me the peel?
Into the pan.
Put the wedge into the pan.
Yes, sir.
On the right move if I was wanting to stay open.
Good morning. I hope you can hear me. I'm leaving for Italy tomorrow. I'm running to get my nails done right now. And then hopefully, I was meant to go to Aloe this morning for a workout, but the traffic was so bad I had to cancel. So hopefully after my nails, I can go to Aloe and get a workout in. But yeah. And then come home, pack the rest of my stuff up, and kind of just prepare to leave. I have a pedicure tomorrow morning, and then I get picked up around noon for my flight. So I need like everything to be done today. Because after my pedicure, I'm rushing home and getting picked up, and that's that. So here's the update. I've been in the same spot for 3 hours on the freeway. There was a really terrible accident, I guess at 2 o'clock this morning, and they've shut down the freeway. I don't know why Waze, I hate Waze. I've been in this situation now twice because of Waze, where they tell you to get on the freeway and there's like a terrible accident and exits are closed. And so anyway, Waze put me on the freeway and I haven't moved for 3 hours. I missed my appointments, I missed my workout. In the grand scheme of life, it's such a stupid problem, but it's for sure testing my patience. I have so much to do, like so much packing. Bella has to travel everywhere with compression socks. sorry.
Very sexy, very nice.
Yes, sexy. We're going to dinner. We look so cute when we're not in LA. Bella looks hot.
It's my new titties.
My dress is a Rax, and if they want to send me anything else, I'll take it. Bella's an influencer now.
Just pimping myself out in your videos.
Entri nella stanza sono tutti stesi, il loro cuore chiuso.
I'm like addicted to cappuccinos. How have I not been drinking real milk for the last like 5 years? It's kind of giving Minnie Mouse, but it's okay. I don't even know. How many days have we been here?
Girl.
I think we're on day 3 in Rome. So cutie. Show them your new bag. Vintage Prada. We're going to a vintage store we already went to in a different part, and they have another store. Update is that we're so hot. But if we got second here, that would be my 13th. Feel like a new person. My hair is so curly. I'm going to the pool. That was the most stunning massage ever. It was so peaceful, and honestly, the reason I got it so last minute was I was having really bad neck pain, and I still have a little bit of neck pain, but at least I can turn. So I'm gonna see my massage therapist one more time before I leave. He rocked. But This is my look. I'll link the swimsuit below. I can't remember the name. I got the hat in Rome. And then I have my Repettos on because they're comfy. I will say the Repettos took a second to break in, but now that I love them. I got this poncho from a vintage store in LA and I love it. Same day. Going to the gym. I'm so hungry, I'm literally shaking. Okay, good morning. It's the next day in Puglia. I'm so scared I'm gonna run into someone while I'm filming. We are doing a boat day, so I thought you should come. I get so lost in this hotel. Going to meet my family for breakfast and then we're leaving for the boat. The dock's like an hour or something away. Sorry I'm whispering, but this hotel feels too peaceful to speak loudly in. I'm ending this video here, but the journey's not over, and I'll see you soon.